How to make app icons black and white on iOS 18. Let's get started. With upgrade to iOS 18, now you're able to make your app icons black and white. Let me show you how. First up, press and hold on anywhere on the screen. With that, apps will start wiggling. Now click on the option of Edit. Click on Customize. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options such as light, dark, automatic, and tinted. Clicking on the option of dark, the app icon will be changed to the black. Clicking on the option of tinted, you'll be able to change the app icon's colors. Use the slider and set the app icon according to your choice. Once we're done, you can click on the screen. With that, it will be saved. So this way you can easily make app icons black and white on iOS 18. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.